Hello all. In the previous video, we have discussed how to install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 7 on a VMware. So in this video, we will see how to set up the hostname permanently. So we can move forward to install the Vesper application server product on this machine. So let's log in into the machine as a user. And here if you look at the host name that you are seeing here, it's weird, and you can also run hostname command, so which is showing unknown, right? So that's not the right host name. So if you remember, I set up the VMware name as WASAP41D. I'm actually expecting the same host name for my Linux machine, which is not in this case, right? So I need to change this host name permanently. So let's do these steps to change the host name permanently. Okay. So once you logged into the Linux machine and open the terminal, so you are logged in as a user. So okay. So I recommend to switch to root user with the same password of your username. So let's switch the user to root with su-root command and provide your username password. So now I switched from user to root. So let's change the host name. So we have to modify few files here. So first of all, let's get the whole IP address. So here this is 192.168.1.82 is the IP address of my Linux machine. So let's copy this and use the VA editor to edit any files. So the first file to edit is /etc host. Okay, /etc/host. Open this and move your cursor to the end of the line. So or just go to the end of the line and make sure you are in an insert mode. So that means like you can edit the file. So and provide your IP address 192.168.1.82 and then your host name 41D. Okay, and just do escape :wq exclamation mark to save the file. So now you can view this file with the cat command /etc host. So now if you look at here, right, so I see that the IP address is added to the etc host file as well as host name is added. So another file to modify is /etc sysconfig network. And if you look at here, host name is something different, right? Host name equal to localhost dot local domain. So let's change this. So let's change the host name to WASAP41D, and I would like to disable this networking IPv6 to no. Okay, so or I can just remove this line. So host name equal to WASAP41D. So escape :wq to save the file, and you can view this file again with cat command. So networking equal to yes, host name is WASAP41D, and once you're done, so the last command you can run is host name and your host name and the host name. So the host name is changed. You can run hostname command to verify. So finally you can reboot and see if the host name is changed or it is the host name is persistently changed or not. So let's take a look. So it's rebooting the Linux machine. So host is rebooted, and now you see the login prompt, so you can log in as a user. Okay, so right click, open the terminal. That's it. So I see hostname was ap41d, and you can run hostname command, or you can also run uname-n command, so to verify the hostname. So as a user, if you run as a user, if you logged in as a user, use /sbin to run ifconfig command. So here is the IP address of the hostname. So that's all, guys. So uh, the Linux machine is now ready, and in the next video we will see how to copy the software from Windows machine to the Linux machine. Okay.